Okay, let's try one of my more liked products from 2014, Elite. Came out in August. Box prices were over 100 when they came out. I picked up some from a guy who was just trying to get rid of 2014 product. I think these were 47, which is, I think that's a good price for Elite. I think Steel City and stuff has them in the high 60s. So. The only problem with it is that you try to create some value from the base, and it's really tough to move the base in this. It's just not worth much at all. So I've got lots of base. I'm still trying to figure out how to create the value with. These face-to-face cards aren't very cool, but you get like 5 per box. I think the base cards look pretty nice though. This is one of those products though where you can get stuck with those points cards. That's a Passing the Torch True Font to Sherman. Demaryius Thomas Elite Series. So you get something in every pack, which is kind of cool. Not that you get like great cards in every pack, but you get some type of insert just to mix it up. One downside of this product is it's tough to hit like a really nice card. I mean, they're just not really in there. There's a Taylor Lewan. I've opened up a couple cases of this, and I don't think I've ever really hit like a really nice card. Legends, Clay Matthews. So the upside's kind of limited to what you can pull, but you're not paying an absurd amount for the box either. This is a case hit. This one, I don't like these because I just don't. That's just weird. Down in distance to 49 Cordero Patterson. Somebody will like this one though. It's definitely unique. Victor Cruz, Elite Series. Torch. Dylan to Bernard to Jeremy Hill. I'm just kidding. Legends Peyton. That's kind of cool. Luck, Turn of the Century to 199. You get a couple of those per box. Face to Face, Steve Smith, Aqib Talib. Hold on, this zebra's really close tonight. Oh, this is a good one. Veteran auto of Eddie Lacy. Is that 99 or 88? I think it's 88 of 99. That's pretty cool. Acetate Lacy. It's a neat card. Face to Face, Lynch, Bowman. Chris Smith, lineman for the Jags, $7.99. The base rookies like that have different tiers. It's like 4 or 5 of them. I know the most rare ones are $4.99, and the least are $9.99. Elite Series, Colin Kaepernick. This is Clarity. It's a glass card. You get 1 per box. It's actually a cool concept. It's actual glass, I think. Corners are sharp. CJ Spiller, Clarity. It's solid. See, we got points carded. So that's not cool. But when you open this product, that's the risk you take, so you can't complain. Profiles, Richard Sherman. I mean, you can't really complain when you know going in you have a chance of getting that. You buy yourself into that. Julio Jones. So, just the way it is, I guess. We should have 1 hit left, though. That's cool. Trey Mason, $9.99. 2 packs left. Should have an auto. A blue auto. That's kind of neat. Crabtree to 85. Aspirations. Brandon Coleman to 49 for the Saints. Kind of a cool card. He might play this year. That's it.